Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add your card to Apple Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add a debit card or credit card to your Apple Wallet, simply open your Apple Wallet app. Once you have done this, you need to simply tap on the plus icon and then select the option called debit card or credit card. Once you have selected it, you can simply tap on the continue button. After tapping on the continue button, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface where you need to simply tap on enter card details manually. Once you have tapped on enter card details manually, you will need to now simply type in the card details like the card number, your name, and stuff like that. So once the verification is completed, you will be able to simply add your card to your Apple Wallet easily. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again with more such interesting and informative content.